Messiah! Messiah! Easy say that bad man.
Say them not pretend, that's why me driving the car tint up. No, me not trust them. No one apart, me no one link up.
So last night, dog,
Yes.
I text me girl, dog, and she left me on blue tick down. Me I wonder how that.
Brother, you're lucky you get tick, brother. Me not even get no tick.
Oh!
So me I wonder if something happen when I go check in on my fridge. Half of me bulla gone, brother.
All this man, my brother ain't gone, dog.
Brother, not it. Me not on the road into them. Me not on the road into them. Half of me.
Right now, me feel like I fight up in the dog.
You think you're alone?
Madam!
Yo!
Bread bomb!
Chibache! My friend!
What else,
Hey,
man?
man! But there, dog, I talk about illegal incident to happen to me bulla, you know.
Oh! How you don't talk about little one up where come about the place, brother? Who no member say, I'm here! I dopey! What about the place? Why little dopey come, brother?
So what on?
No, dog!
Are you near me bulla, brother?
Easy, man! What you say?
Are you near me bulla?
Brother, me no bulla for dog! Look how me mad! Me want look no maga! Brother! Brother! Me! Dopey can't make me afraid, brother! And my granny!
Yeah, man.
Name Miss Matty!
Don't underestimate them.
Brother, look at them, man. Anywhere, anytime it's that dopey, them have to talk to me. Nice! No! And me are the one punking the girl them something. Let me go me there.
Come on, me and you say yo. Then don't need help pass me.
Brother, brother, when me a go home little more, that the dopey they have to see me and walk on the next side of the road.
We are good on them. We are
We
good
not
on
left
them.
from
We are
here,
good on them, man.
we not left from here. We not left from here.
See, we are good.
No go on them.
We take a chick on them, man.
Go on.
You prove see you bad.
Say that come.
We take a
Me
chick
bad.
on them.
You no go on and tell me what go on.
We take a chick on them. Come on.
Brother, me a stay here, so brother. No go on.
Go on, man.
Alright, me a come.
My front, man.
Me alright, man. Go on. Go on. I'm afraid, mama.
Are you afraid?
Afraid, man.
Are you afraid?
Me no. So go on.
So come on, brother.
Go on, man.
Tell me how you stay, man.
Man.
Messiah! Messiah! Easy say that bad man, sir. Let me go, Messiah! Messiah! No, sir! Messiah!
Now make sure yo, when you subscribe to Eat Boss channel, is it? And go down there so and click the red button there and make sure you set when you click a bell, invite all of the girl them, your family member and share it to your friend them too. Cause you know we love the crowd, is it? Yeah. We have to show them a video for them watch it. Yeah. A new year. We need to subscriber.